Welcome to the Marlican Adventures. Now you're going to see a hidden place in Bermuda, but it's not hidden in terms of being known in the island. This is definitely one of the most known and important tourist spots in the Bermuda Island. So definitely a must visit when you are in Bermuda. So the rest of the video will capture the beautiful and surreal environment inside a cave. All right, and you are also going to see some parts of my other adventures in Bermuda.
Right now, technically on the grand scale of time, like 1.8 million years of time are right in between. This cave has been fully submerged and fully shot. Oh, was in an earthquake. I made sure if I applied other earthquakes in Bermuda. Yeah. If there ever was an earthquake, that moon, it was very, because the size of that, every minute's like, that's how long the shot is able to change. You guys would essentially be able to pry into a life. I just have to answer the phone and say that I am educated. And that's where the name comes from, not the actual calcite crystals. Just gonna pass on that side.
Okay.
Yeah.
Crystal clear water.